back to my YouTube channel Smart Web Studio. So viewers, in this video I'm here with a new script of portfolio website. You can see here the amazing look of this site, and in this video I will completely guide you about this site, about the user panel. And so viewers, if you want to buy this kind of website or any other website, do contact us on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is in description. We will provide you complete support from installation to the lifetime and completely free that nobody can provide from the market. So viewers, if you want further details, you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. Each and every kind of website are available. E-commerce website, portfolio, customized website, or any other, each and every kind of websites are available. Digital marketing website, every kind of website is available. If you need any website, you can contact us. We will provide you with reasonable prices. So viewers, let's, without wasting much more time, let's start this video. So here you can see the amazing look of this site, the home section. There are many sections of this site. First one is home, about, skills, education, experience, projects, services, testimonials, reviews, and contact. And your user and each and everything is this is the user panel, you can see here. And here hire me option is also available here. So where this can be changed according to your requirement, customer requirement. Each and everything is changeable according to customer requirement. Each and everything will be changed. So where here you can see this name can be changed according to your requirement. This picture can be changed according to the requirement. And here the qualification will be according to the customer requirement. And here you can see here is the view project option, here is the download resume, here is the contact me option. So whereas here you can see here is the LinkedIn link, here is the contact me link, here the message, and every links are also available here. So here you can see this is the about section will be started from here. So whereas here the user details will be added here, and each and everything is changeable from the admin panel according to your requirement, according to the customer requirement. Each and everything will be changed. So whereas here you can see here are the shaped projects, here are the code languages, here are the CSS marks, here are the CHSS marks, and each and everything will be according to the customer qualification can be changed. So whereas here you can see the next section is skills. So here you can see this tag I put with here languages, technologies, AI and craft. It's a customer website, and we can create and develop this kind of website for you too. So whereas here you can see this is the education section. You can see each and everything is visible, user friendly, and readable. And you can see the amazing look of this site. And this section is experience. Here you can see the remote internship at the code labs can be changed. Each and everything, experience, education, skills, each and everything, projects, each and everything can be changed according to the customer requirement. So whereas here you can see the amazing look of this site. Here is the selected work projects. You can see here all the projects are listed right here. So whereas if you need any kind of website, or this website or any other website, portfolio website for any person, we can create. So viewers, you can contact us on WhatsApp and can trust us and can contact us. We will provide you with reasonable prices. So viewers, here you can see these was all the projects. So the next section is services. Here you can see these services can be changed from your admin panel according to your requirement. We can change each and everything for the customers. So you can contact us for buying. And this is the review section. Here you can see this is the review section. So amazing and so attractive and professional look of this site. You can see here it's more advanced and modern website. So viewers, here you can see each and everything is visible. So viewers, next section is contact. So here you can see here by here writing name, email, subject, and message. Then you can send the message. So viewers, it was all about the portfolio website. So here is also a hire me option, and each and everything is changeable according to your requirement. So viewers, this is the most advanced and modern portfolio website for every person, for students, for digital marketers, for each and every person. So viewers, if you want to buy this website or any other website, do contact us. WhatsApp number is in description. For more details, you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. We have this, you can see it, this is the most professional, most amazing and attractive look of this site, and each and everything is visible, advanced, modern and easy to use. So viewers, if you need this kind of website or any other website, do contact us on WhatsApp. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe it too, and press the bell icon for more videos. So thank you so much for watching.